calculate mean. You can calculate what mean, but think like string data. Can we calculate mean actually? No. Then strategies are different. First, let me cover numerical. On numerical values, what are the things we can apply? Imputing missing values, numerical value. You can apply mean, median, most underscore frequent. Next one is what mean? Constant. Yesterday I have covered with the main strategy. And if you understand the first example, remaining 3 examples, copy paste, let me do in front of you. Then, Daniel, what are all the steps actually? What are all the steps, Sarji? Can I help you with the steps wise? First one, you need to import the required libraries. First, you need to import what mean? Required libraries. I hope I no need to ask. Notepad++, I already covered. Let me explain. These are all. Let me walk through the code. Okay. Yeah, simple. So first we need to import the required libraries. What are libraries required? Saji, NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, sklearn also can pronounce. But previously one student tried to install pip install sklearn. Pip install what man? But what we need to install? Please make a note, right? If you're trying to installing sklearn, you may get error. Make error avadanik chance undu. Then I'm preparing nested list. Why? Because I need a data. Then with the data, I have created a data frame. Now I would like to say the data frame is ready, sir. So it is still taking time. Yeah, good. So we got it like this. Yeah, this one is a original data frame. Which numerical column having the missing value. Now what I'm doing, Sarji. Good. So what we need to do is to handle that missing value. There is a one class. Class name is a simple imputer. What is the class name? Simple. We just need to import a class, and next we need to create an object, and you need to call a method. But there is a one strange step only in this scenario, not in other scenario actually. When this method will accept only single column array. Single column array. Then first you need to understand, I don't have a single column array. I do have a data frame. I do have what, Sarji? Data frame. From the data frame, if you access a single column, you will get result as a series. And even you can access a single column data frame by applying this syntax. But this method don't want series. This method don't want single column data frame. This method need single column array. Then this is the syntax. First of all, get the single column data frame. On top, you need to apply values. You need to apply what, man? One more time, you need to apply. Can I show one small example? In me question example, hold on. Let us comment this. I hope you know how to comment. DF of. Please understand. Mocks. Okay, Kada? Yeah. From the data frame, we are accessing single column. We are accessing what, Saji? Single column. Yeah, good. First one is a data frame. We are accessing single column. Daniel, can I apply dot values on top of this one? What is the problem, sir? If you apply on top of this one, you will get array, but row array. Please understand. You will get array, but what is the array, Saji? Row. But that method need column. That method need what, man? Please understand. So the point is, from here to here series. On top of series also, you can call one attribute. Attribute name is a values. What is attribute name? But fit underscore transform method don't want this. Fit underscore transform method, what it need, Sarji? You can get a single column data frame, and on top of that you can apply values actual. Now please look at the output. Meeku ippudu unka clarity vastadi. Previously over the series you applied, this is the result, but method don't want that one. Method need this one actually. Trust me, you understand. Can I get a response? Move on. Control Z. Yeah. We are good to go. Okay, move on. We done these are all. Then fine. Then ultimately we need to call this method, but somewhere you need to specify the strategy. What is the strategy? Mean, right? Let me just try to take this. Important note actually. Keynote. Here, strategy keyword argument will accept only 4 values. Here, strategy keyword argument accepts only 4 values. What exactly mean? 4 values. If you pass any other value, if we pass any other values, any what exactly mean other values, then we will get error. We will get below error. What is that error? Yeah, invalid parameter error, actually error. Okay, so what are the only 4 values, Sarji? Okay, hold on. I like to prepare running notes nicely so that you will get an idea. Chapter sorry, what is the first one? Mean, you can pass. Next one. Median, you can pass. Next one. Most underscore frequent. This is something like a mode search. Frequent. The next one. Constant. Exactly only this. Daniel, can I pass your name actually? You pass it, sir. You pass it and see it actually. Okay. Now, if you want here itself, you can pass mean. You can even also pass median. And you can even also pass what exactly? Most underscore frequent. Can I pass your name actually? No. Don't pass it. You will get an error. You will get what such error? That error is invalid. Invalid parameter error. This is quite interesting. It is directly telling, hello boss, the strategy parameter for simple imputer, it accept, must be string among, it can be anything. First one, constant. Next one, median. Next one, mean. Next one, most underscore frequent. Please understand this actually. Okay, this is really very good. The two, why it is displaying the result in the form of set, duplicates are not allowed. What is not allowed actually? Duplicate. That's still okay. Only 4 values. But what we are passing actually, Daniel. I was unable to call Daniel from this list actually. Why? Because Daniel is not there here. Okay. Now I hope this error, can I add into the errors list? Add చేయమంటారా? ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి సార్ మనకి error? So here it is. 16. Okay, hold on. Unicode decoder error, empty data error, HTTP error. HTTP error very rare goes, sir. Very rare goes. Let me add here. Import error. Let us include here. Okay, if you want, you can include this one at last also. We are good to go. Let me read. Syntax error, name error, key error, value error, type error. Important. During interview, definitely. If I am taking interview, first I will ask this one only. What are all errors? You tell me. Why? Because being a developer, we should know the error names actually. The next one, index error, indentation error, attribute error, module not found error, file not found error. Now today also this document updated. This document malli nenu update chesanu. I am bringing the final version actually. These are all old document. What I am doing, maybe I hope you already know. First I am adding input and output. Next one, business context. Next one, analytical record. Next one, challenges. Next one, solution. Next one, code. 7th one is error. When I'm implementing this code, I got 5 errors. I would like to highlight actually. So here you are covering end to end. End to what exactly meant? End actually. మీరు చూసారు అసలు ఈ డాక్యుమెంట్ ని? Got it. So kindly please walk through. Sometime exactly for this requirement, on an average 5 pages content I have written. Just imagine including small points and code actually. But the whole discussion will be only one method. What is that method? Select underscore. Actually, మీరు చూడండి మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. Now 7th point I am planning to enable. Here I wanted to add common errors while working this requirement. Is it good actually? Good idea, right? So I would like to add minimum 5 errors. First error what I will add, maybe I can load the file, and if file name is mismatching, what is error you will get actually? File not found error. That is a common error. The next one, I may misspell out this pandas actually. Maybe then what is error? Exactly, module not found. Like this, for every requirement, if you are able to deliver 2 to 3 errors, that guy will understand this guy having sound experience, right? So you need to talk about the errors. I'm adding. Already add chesanu. Let me share. Generative AI also I have prepared. Gen AI document also I have prepared. Trust me, maybe within 1 day or 2 days, you will get a good documents from my side actually. And there is a 7th tag I'm planning to add. Daniel, why this? Let me close the discussion. Why this actually? Man, this is the pure technical working related terminology. Pure Facebook, you can you are liking to hear actually. But let me tell you, Tomorrow you are going for interview. Best example, I came to the panel. I like technical discussion. I like what discussion? You came to interview and you're talking, these are all things. You know, there is a source data. This is the expected output. I involved in team meetings actually. Business context is like this. This is the challenge. This is the solution. This is the code implementation. If you're talking like that, I will be like a stunning actually. Arey man, this guy having sound experience. This guy having what exactly, man? Sound experience. Please make a note. The whole requirement will be one method. What is that method? Good. This whole requirement one method. What is that method? This one describe. మీరు ఇంకా చూసినట్లేరు. Describe method. What method? Describe method actually. And even detecting and handling duplicate. There are two methods here. Two methods ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ actually. You can duplicated. Next one drop duplicates actually. Whole document, whole scenario, the answer will be single word, but that you need to learn how to elaborate actually. మీకు తెలిసిందని కొంచెం ఎక్కువ చెప్పాలి. Can I get a response from you? Practice that. Ayyo. Let's move on. Unicode decode error. Unicode decode, what exactly mean? Error actually. Error. Okay. Go to here. This file here you can see. Akkada meeku Unicode ela untundi ante UTF-8. Can you tell me, sir? UTF-8. By default, your program can read UTF-8 actually. By default, your program Python can read UTF format. But if you go to the data set, మీ దగ్గర data set ఉంది కదా, what data set actually? EDA data set. 10L, is it required? It's okay. Let me guide actually. Nothing is wrong. Go to the EDA project. Let me open EDA and let's open the data set. Now చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి. Why taking time? Because now look at the view. Encoding. UTF. This one also UTF, but somewhere you can see. I need to check searching. Where are we? So seems to be back to the session. I have covered mean strategy. What strategy, Sarji? I have covered mean strategy. Next one will be median strategy. What strategy, sir? Copy paste the example previous one, and here you just need to apply what mean? Mean we already covered. The next one is median. What is the next one, Sarji? Median, right? So I can take this code. I can copy paste this. Almost 4 examples I can copy paste in a same bit. What strategy? Median. Then I need to change here also, right? Good. Then what is the next strategy? You guys do practice these are all. That's what I'm telling. Copy paste actually. Nothing is there. Most underscore frequent. Most underscore what, Sarji? Frequent. Okay. Previous one median. Above one mean. Now this one most underscore frequent. Good. Let me capture this. Then the word should be matched. Otherwise, you will get an error. Such a. What is that error name? Invalid parameter error. The next one, let me pass the constant. Hold on. This is not the same one like a previous one. The next one you need to pass here as a constant. What we need to pass, Sarji? Constant. Everybody look at my screen. I will tell one small scenario. Here you need to pass, what we need to pass, Sarji? Constant. Chappan Sarji? See, mean calculation is there. Most underscore frequent means backend mode calculation. The next one, median. There are some math formula. What do you mean by constant? Constant means indirectly you are telling with specific value. Then specify that specific value. Fill value. What value? Quite interesting. Who are all missing? By default, they are getting 80 marks. I'm sorry, according to the situation. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. So constant value. If constant involves new keyword argument is required, what is that keyword argument name? You are telling constant, right? Tell me that constant value. Tell me what's the constant value. Constant value. Let me just try to pass this. This is where you need to be understand. Okay. It works, I'm sure. Third index should be 80 value. The next one, fifth index also having missing value, and it is filling with what exactly, man? This is something like a fill and here. Did you remember? Exactly, it works in the same way. This one is a motion underscore frequent, and this one is a constant. For this constant, there is a one more extra keyword argument actually. Can I copy paste from here? Whole bunch of the code. That's it, Sarji. We are good to go. This is the first pot number 1. Let's close this. Now pot number 2. Pot number 2 we can close within 30 minutes. Machine learning also I am going to start today. Daniel, you can close this. Okay, this one is in. No. My hand always goes on machine learning. Pot number 2. This pot number 2, purely I want to tell how to handle categorical data. How to handle what data, man? Categorical data. By this time, previously you understand how to handle numerical data. It's the right time you need to understand how to handle categorical data. Got pot number 2, let's open. I like divide and conquer. This is the whole thing is one material only, but I have divided like this actually. Now, what is the first one? Handling categorical data. Yeah, good. You should understand. And there are some strategies would have ordinal encoding. Yeah, encoding categorical data. Categorical data having separate techniques, sir. I will tell you step by step. First one is ordinal encoding, one hot encoding, dummy variable encoding, imputing missing value. Let me cover these all. Let me cover with you. Categorical data are variable that contains label values rather than numerical values, simple string data. What data, Sarji? But here it is having kind of some limited data actually. So please understand. Limited values. Types of previously just maybe 10 days back I covered what is the difference between string and category. You should understand that point first. Okay. Types of categorical data. Can you tell me? Nominal value, next one. Ordinal. What do you mean by nominal? Very good. I hate actually. No order. What do you mean by ordinal? Logical ordering is possible. Logical ordering, right? The variables which are having no order, those are all called as a nominal variable. Daniel, when you covered, during math I covered. Pet variable name. First one is a cat, next one is a dog. Is there any order? No. So can I tell cat is the first, dog is the next actually? No. Next one. Color variables, right? Blue, green, red. You can apply some alphabetical order, no use. Then okay? Move to the next one. Ordinal variable. The variables which are having the order, those are all called as a ordinal variables, like a score variable, low, medium, high. Yeah, there is an order. Like a 10th class, intermediate, graduation, BTech or BSc. Okay. I forget. In Cognizant company, for graduations especially, there is a recruitment is happening. Go to the Cognizant website. Careers tab actually. Careers tab. You can just try to apply. Company slowly started recruiting. So more jobs. If somebody is saying no jobs actually, first stop hearing those things. So people will say always, right? That too, don't receive the negative comments. Don't receive what exactly, man? If anybody is saying no job actually, be far away from them. Don't get the negative vibes actually. There are, if you are very good in subject, you can reach me. I will help you as interns actually. I'm sure on this. But I will take one small mock interview. You know what I will ask actually. Have you got a custom? What question I will ask first?
Tell me the errors.
Nominal variable. Yeah. Please let me tell you. In real time machine learning data set, especially would have a nominal. Tell me, sir. Nominal, no order. Chapandi? No order actually, right? So please understand the below scenarios. Now I hope you understand. How to handle categorical data, Daniel? Actually, there are three ways to convert categorical data into numerical data. The first one will be ordinal encoding. Next one hot encoding. Next one dummy variable encoding. Important subject. Converting, handling categorical data. There are three ways. First one, ordinal encoding. Hot encoding. The next one, dummy variable encoding. Ordinal encoding means very simple. Like a previously I covered, right? It is a technique to convert from categorical data to numerical data. It is a technique for what? To convert from categorical to numerical data. Let me tell you one small example. In ordinal encoding, every nominal value is assigned with what exactly? I mean integer. So it's a quite interesting blue, green, red. This one is a categorical data. We need to transform into what exactly? I mean numerical data. Right. So there is a way. So there is a one class. Class name is a ordinal encoder. What is the class name? Sir, did you remember same type of example somewhere we covered where? ఎక్కడో కవర్ చేసాం కదా ఫీచర్ ఇంజనీర్. Then what do you mean by that? According to the alphabetical order, at last one more blue value would you have. At last you will get as a 0. At last you will get what, man? 0 actually. Let me just execute this example. ఈ example execute చేద్దాం చూడండి. First one we need to import the required libraries. We're importing the required libraries. First one is a NumPy. Next one is a sklearn and ordinal encoder we're importing. The next one will be, let me create array. Oh, good. To create an array, you might aware about only array function, but not only array, Sarji. There is one more function. That function name is a as array. What is the function name? You can use array also. That's still okay actually, right? So let me show you how to create an array. Let me show you how to create what exactly array actually. I can make it. This one is a B. This one is a B. Let me create this. Until you use, don't import. What do you mean by that? If you're not using any class, don't import. Array is ready. If you want to, let me include one more value also. Let me include at last here also, Daniel. Can I take one more value as a blue itself actually? You can take search. You can take. Okay. Now, yeah. First of all, single column array. What data? Single column array. Sir, simple. Now I wanted to convert into numerical data. Then what we need to do, Sachi? It's a very simple. You need to create an object, import a class. Then what is the next step? Creating an object. Creating an object actually. During object creation, something executes. Good. Object name dot. So please make a note here actually. Let me tell you. This one is object name. Object name dot, you are calling something and which is having parenthesis method. Method calling you are assigning into variable. Why? Backend written. Good. Written keyword will come for two topics only. One is function, another one is method. One is function, another one is function call. You can assign into variable valid. Method call also you can assign into variable valid. Function, out of the whoops actually. Method within the whoops. Within the whoops. Can I highlight here actually? Sir, return keyword. What keyword actually? Return keyword. You can apply on function. You can apply what exactly? Apply on function. Function can return, and even you can apply on what exactly? Method. Conclusion of the story: function calling assign into variable return. Method calling assigning into variable return. Exactly that is that's what happening here actually. Right? Method calling you are assigning into what exactly? Variable. Then let me just try to print this results print chestan chudandi. You will get an idea. Something went wrong. Can somebody help me? Instead of data, array you need to pass. What is array? Good. Even you can think like, why I am passing array actually? We are just before machine learning step actually. Please talk about the array data. What data, man? You need to apply all your operations either on data frame or array actually. See, according to the alphabetical letter, this becomes like a 0, the next one green, 1, next one R, B letter, next one G letter, next one R letter, next one is again B letter actually, 0. Dot it will come actually. Why? Because floating value. What value? We'll do one thing. Daniel, can I take red at second position, sir? You change the order. That doesn't matter at all. If you want, you can change, so order here. You can take the value here. That's still okay. Please understand. According to that backend, blue is assigned with 0. No doubt in that. Where are all blue is available? 0. After B letter, what is the next letter? Green. Yes. After green letter, what is the next letter? Even you can change the order. No worry. That class takes care. Class in the sense there is a method takes care. What is that method name? You understand, I guess. This is so called as a ordinal encoding. Chapana Sarji? What do you mean by ordinal encoding? First of all, no order. The class itself is telling forcefully we are bringing into order. Actually. This is the first time this technique came. When initially, so categorical data convert into numerical data. Ordinal encoding. Ordinal encoding. Can I tell you the next one? Sir, this is having small limitation. Let me tell you the limitation. So, ordinal encoding having small limitation. What is that limitation, Can you tell me blue is indicating with what, Sarji? 0. Very good. The next one, red is indicating to? It's 2. Green is indicating to 1. Again, blue is indicating to 0. Good. Now, this one is our data. I mean to say, Daniel, this one is our data. But this one is ML data. What data, Sarji? ML. This is our understanding. I mean to say blue, green, red. But a machine learning algorithm cannot understand directly blue, green, red, but it will understand what exactly mean number. Then what happen, machine learning algorithm, there is a small confusion actually. Confusion to ML. Confusion to what exactly? ML actually. What kind of that confusion, The moment whenever you are giving, green means what exactly, sir? Green means indicates to 1, right? Then ML algorithm also think like, okay, 1 plus 1. What is the result actually? No, 1 plus 1. What is the result? 2. Then it understand very clearly in the backend, green plus green. Okay, I hope you understand. Green plus green equals to, Sachi? You understand, I guess. Actually. But do you think in reality, is it the same? ML algorithm will compare like this actually. First of all, no order. Forcefully you are bringing into the order. Once you are giving the ordering values actually, ML algorithm, what it will do, 1 plus 1 means what, man? 2. Chappan Saji, 1 plus 1, what is the result? 2. Then, backend it will understand in such a way that, oh, you are telling green is the one, right? Let us substitute. Green plus green equals to what exactly? But do you think like that? No. This is literally a little confusion. To overcome this one, next strategy came, that is so called as a one-hot encoding. Chappan Sarji? Now no comparison. Asal compare chesukodani scope లేదు, right? To overcome this one, we got another technique, which is so called as a, what is that another technique? One-hot encoding. Let me explain about that. What do you mean by one-hot encoding, Sarchi? It's a very simple. One-hot encoding. Take the same values. It takes same values. Can you tell me the order? Blue, red, green, blue. Okay. Please understand. Blue, next one. Red, next one. Green, blue. Okay, good. First, this one is data. This one is what exactly? Data 1. So, this one is a data 1, right? Now this one is a one hot encoding operation. Operation short actually. First what it will do, Sarji? Operation shorted. Operation shorted. What it will, Can you tell me, it takes the same data తీసుకుంటుంది as it is. It takes the same data. Can you tell me, please apply unique operation. What operation? Unique operation. Please apply unique operation. If you apply unique operation, tell me the values. Blue, red, green. After that, apply alphabetical order. Very nice. Very nice. Don't worry, I will cover these all. నేను చెప్తాను, నీట్గా చెప్తాను. చెప్పండి. బ్లూ, గ్రీన్, రెడ్. సార్ నౌ ద స్టోరీ విల్ స్టార్ట్. ఇప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుందో తెలుసా? It takes the data and on top it will create with the same thing actually. First it takes the blue. Oh, next it takes green. Okay, next it takes what exactly? Red. Repeating again, it takes the data as it is. It takes the data as it is. Yes. Oh, on top of this one it will apply what it will apply. First unique operation it will apply. Then blue, red, green. Unique operation. Blue, red, green. I no need to take blue again. That is called as unique operation. After applied unique operation, what is the next one? Alphabetical. Back end this process is happening. Alphabetical. According to alphabetical order, tell me, Sachi. Blue, green, red. Now, every value, it takes like a column. It takes like what, man? Now, cinema start here actually. Can you tell me blue and blue matching? Where are all matching? It replaces with 1. That value is a 1. Next one. Blue and green. It's not matching. Tell me. 0. The next one. Blue, red, tell me. Oh, that's what you need to be understand. Now, red, tell me, Saji. 0. Very good. Next one, 0. Next one, perfect. Now tell me. 0. Very good. Next one, oh, sorry. Next one, 0. Next one, tell me. 1, 0, 0. Copy paste this. This is absolutely fine. This is what it is going to happen. This is so called as a one hot encoding. What exactly? One hot encoding, like a binary value. Machine learning algorithm will be silent actually. So this is the binary value. When it comes to binary value, no comparison. Instead of previously blue value, can you tell me, sir, what value actually? Nth value vachindi meeku blue value 0. Do you know the decimal? Decimal so starts with kind of some 10, hundreds, thousands. That is called as a decimal. But when it comes to 100, 010, first of all, no comparison, sir. What exactly? No comparison. Now, backend ML algorithm understand. ML algorithm will understand. Can you tell me blue? It indicates to 100. Don't think it's not 100, Sarji. Repeating again, it's not 100. It's a binary related value, like a 100. Then next one, what exactly, sir? Red. Red value, can you tell me? 001. The next one, green. Chappan, Sarji? 010. Very nice. Then again blue. Do I need to talk about the blue again actually? Why? Because I already specified. I hope you understand. Move on. Here, no comparison. Comparison akkarledu. Why less students today? Okay. Move on. Be regular, Sachi. Be regular. Did I apply this? No, I didn't apply. Whatever I have explained the theory, you guys kindly please walk through. So that points. Now ordinal one hot encoding. What encoding, Sarji? One hot encoding. So for nominal values, integer encoding may not be the enough, and even it is misleading the model. Misleading. Model will start doing the comparison. Here one hot encoding is helpful. It is a technique where each of the nominal variables will be represented with what exactly? Binary value. Let me take a data. Previously I have taken blue, green, red. Now first one apple, pear, and apple. Good, very good. Now what do you mean by one hot encoding, Sarji? Yeah, good. Hold on. Can you apply unique operation? Chappan. What are the values? Apple, pear. Good. First operation. Second operation, keep according to alphabetical order. Once if you keep alphabetical order, what is the first value? Next one, kanapadakunda operation to the manki. That never visible. But we need to think. First, whatever value it is available. Yes, exactly. These values, unique values, it comes like a column name. Sir, this is so called as a feature engineering. Can you tell me? What is feature engineering? Creating a feature from existing feature. First of all, this one is a feature. Now we are creating a new features. We are creating what, man? Feature engineering. feature engineering. My definition is matching. Okay. Then yeah, Daniel, first one apple and first one apple matching 1. Next one apple pair not matching 0. Then can I ask a question? Apple is representing with 1 0. Apple is representing with 1 0. The next one pair is representing with 0 1. Next one again the same story. Same story. Can we do this? Come on, let's do this. Same thing like blue, green, red. 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1, 0 0 1. Quite interesting. Let's apply this. ఇది అప్లై చేద్దాం చూడండి. Oh, sorry, sir. I'm sure the code is valid, and here keyword argument changed actually recently. Then this document I need to update. Feature engineering. Any version did I specify here? No version. Okay. Okay. I know why, because on daily I used to work with these things. Then here this code is valid for older version actually, but recently what happened, this keyword argument changed. Keyword argument changed. Then you will get an error. What is that error? చెప్పండి. keyword argument change అయితే ఎర్రర్ ఏమొస్తుంది? ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఇప్పుడు మీకు హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది ఆ ఎర్రర్. దెన్ మీరు రికగ్నైజ్ చేయొచ్చు ఇక్కడ. I will tell you first. Then I need to update the material. Okay. Yeah, exactly. What error meant? Type error. And so unexpected keyword argument. This code is valid in older version. Previous material I use same code. This is sorry, I didn't create. And ఇది నేను క్రియేట్ చేసిన ఎర్రర్ కాదు. According to the previously I have created the material. Same code I copy pasted. Same code I copy pasted parts, and I'm getting what error such ఏం ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది? Type error. Copy paste this. You can ask the reason. It's sparse only, right? Why error? Why what exactly? Below error actually. Are you getting what I'm trying to asking? Correct కదా ఇది. So why? Because I know. But నాకు ఎర్రర్ ఎందుకు వస్తుందని మనం అడుగుతున్నాం. It will tell you are getting this error because newer versions of the scikit-learn blah blah blah. Sparse parameter is what exactly? One hot encoding. Just what we need to do, this one is scikit-learn 1.2. But currently after scikit-learn actually scikit-learn after 1.2, okay, this is what we need to specify. Sparse underscore output. Take this keyword argument, and here what I need to specify? Output. Antena? Right now execute the code. Issue fixed actually. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. Now let's take this one. Sometimes this error might be helpful for us. Type error. What error, Saji? Type error. Now this is the type error. Output. One dot two, na? But what is the current version? How to check version? Version la check cheyochu. As sk dot 1 point. Tell me, Sarji. Then think like this document I have created with 1.2. Older versions lo create chesanu examples. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. Let us enter into ML, sir. Somebody asked a question. Let us enter into the ML. You will get an idea. Where are we? Okay. So this works. Move on. We done this all discussion. Like can I apply on blue, green, red? Then we go to apply cheddama. Then you will get a clarity. Because satisfaction వస్తుంది. Come on. First one, what I have taken? Blue one. Next one, green. The next one, red. The next one also, it's okay. Order doesn't matter, Sachi. But anyway, let's continue. Valid. అయ్యో సార్ చెప్పండి. maybe upload control jet. Valid. Did you notice? Can I ask a question? Blue is representing with 100. Green is representing with, that too the beauty is, can I tell you, this method directly it is giving array data. This method directly it is giving what data? Yeah, please make a note. This one is a array data. Array data. Why? ML need this data only. Did you remember the flow? Data set, data frame, feature engineering, array. Next one. Good. In another 5 minutes, we are going to close feature engineering. Another just 5 minutes. So back to the session. Yesterday or day before yesterday, we started feature engineering. We started writing programs actually. Almost what I'm using, Sarji. There is a class. There is a class actually. Scikit-learn I have installed. There is a class. We're importing the class. The next one, we are creating an object. The next one, that's what I'm doing. First example, class name is a label encoder class. Next example, class name is a min-max scalar. Then please understand. So the next class will be, yesterday we almost worked with simple imputer. What exactly? Today class name is a ordinal encoder. The next one more class name is a, this is the best strategy to remember. అలా మీరు ఒక ప్యాటర్న్ గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. సో నథింగ్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇఫ్ న్యూ టాపిక్ మీన్స్ దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ క్లాస్. You need to work 2 to 3 examples work around, then your task will be closed. That is the best way to learn actual. Okay, learn relevant with the class. Class key. Mostly we are using functions and class to fulfill our requirement. This is our data. This is predefined functionality. Our data we are giving to this functionality. Finally we are getting what exactly mean? Output. అర్థం చేసుకో. Next one hot encoding. What exactly mean? One hot encoding. This one also I will update and I will upload the material. So did you remember this keyword argument is changed actually? If you are still running this one, what is error? Maybe first time directly type error you are getting, I guess. Kada? Move on. Next topic. What is the next topic? Dummy variable encoding. What is the next topic? Dummy variable encoding. This is technique to apply one hot encoding and one hot encoding. Anyway, we already having technique, right? Hey Daniel, what is the result actually? What kind of result we will get? First, we need to apply one hot encoding. Then, from the result, listen carefully. From the result, please drop first column. Please drop what exactly mean? First column. నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను చూడండి. టేక్ ద సేమ్ కోడ్. మీరు ఈ కోడ్ తీసుకున్నావా? యా డానియల్, యూ కెన్ టేక్ దిస్. I would like to tell this one is a data. Then here I have applied what exactly, so I have applied చెప్పండి సర్జీ one hot encoding. I applied what exactly? One hot encoding. What exactly encoding? According to the industry standards, what they will tell next one will be చెప్పండి సర్జీ dummy variable encoding. చెప్పండి సార్ what is exactly dummy variable encoding? Good. Now read the points. Apply one hot encoding. I applied actually. From the one hot encoding, can you tell me the next point? From the result, please drop from the one hot encoding result. ఎక్కడి నుంచి? From the one hot encoding result, please drop what exactly? First column. First what man? You do one thing. Now take the same data. Take what exactly mean? Same data. Delete these are all value. First value. What exactly I done? This column I have deleted, Sachi. This column what exactly I have deleted. Now I have a question. Blue is indicating with what man? 1. Now here it is indicating what? 0, 0. That's still okay. It is not changing. The next one 0 1 0, but here it is what exactly 1 0. Here is what exactly mean 0 0 1. Here it is 0 1, and here it is what exactly 1 0 0, and here it is what exactly 0 0. So seems to be why instead of reading one extra new column, let us drop the single column. That to first column only. That to what man? Can I drop second column? You will get error. You will get what man? Error actually. Meeku ardhamainda? Repeating again. Dummy variable encoding means it's a very simple apply one hot encoding. Chappandi sir, apply. From that result, drop a first column. Drop what, Sarji? Let's apply this. What is the topic name? Cheptara? Dummy variable. Oh, anyway, on top of the same example, I will apply. You will get an idea. Good. Very nice. Now you please talk with me. What is the difference between theory you can walk through? What is the difference between the current example? If you drop the first column from the result of hot encoding, then it becomes like a dummy variable encoding. Chappandi sir, naku entu munduki deeniki difference ento cheppandi. Exactly. One keyword argument. What is that keyword argument? Drop equals to, that's it. Previously one student asked, Anna, instead of first, can I write second? You will get error. You will get what exactly? Error actual. Why? Because that is not implemented. Drop equals to what exactly mean? First. While working with keyword argument, the beauty is order doesn't matter. Chappandi Sarji? Order. Either you can keep the first one as a sparse output, the next one as a drop. I'm sure it works. Exactly. 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. In my running notes also I have written in same way. Perfect, sir. Then I can take this example. I can just try to log into running notes. Can I tell you the good news? We done, sir. Feature engineering, we done actually. Let us enter into the machine learning. This is where, one more last example. That last example will be imputing missing class values. I mean to say categorical data. What data? Categorical data. Previously, numerical data imputing we done. What strategies we applied, Sarji? Mean, median, most underscore frequent, constant. Now let me tell you, imagine if categorical data is missing. What do you mean by that? Go back here, look at the data set. మీరు data set ని చూడండి. Previously, if these values are missing, we handle now gender. Either male or what man? Female. But here missing value, I wanted. Do you think I can apply mean here actually? No. Why? Because it is not a numerical data. Then you need to understand how to, with what strategy I can impute